What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a really quick review of this JEAREY 4-foot artificial Christmas tree. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this tree, including one thing that you should know before buying. All right, guys, so my wife and I have actually been looking in our loft to find a mini Christmas tree that we thought would fit the space pretty well. And we do like this one, especially at the price point. We think it's a reasonable quality product, and overall not too bad. In terms of assembly, really didn't take us too long. So there's the base right here, and then there's actually 4 sections. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This does get really compact when you break it down, which is kind of a cool little feature about it, if you will. But other than that, it's a pretty simple tree. It's not pre-lit. You know, it doesn't have anything really all that special with it. Just kind of a small little Christmas tree. In terms of how full it gets, you know, it took a little bit of time to fluff this out and basically make it look the way that it does. I probably could spend a little bit more time on that, but I think that from a full perspective, it looks pretty good overall. The other thing is in terms of like how real it looks close up. So you can see here, I mean, it doesn't look super real close up, but frankly, a lot of these artificial trees don't look super real close up. So as long as it does from far away, I think that's fine. And I think, you know, if you're just looking for a tree that you can fully decorate yourself, you know, this could definitely be a winner overall. In terms of the one thing to know about it before buying, pretty simple. So this particular tree, you know, like I said, it took some time to fluff out. So when you get any of these artificial Christmas trees, if you've never had one before, they are going to come like that, right? And it's going to be really, you know, basically show a bunch of holes all around it. And what you really have to do is kind of push these in and, you know, make it so that they actually look good. And then obviously the good news about that is if there's a big hole like this, you could say, oh, well, let's just fix that real quick, adjust a few branches, and it's looking a little bit better already. So yeah, that took a little bit of time for setup and everything, but overall, I do think it's a pretty good tree, specifically for, you know, those that are just looking for something that's affordable and about 4 feet tall. So if you are considering it, I don't think that you would regret purchasing this one.